Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I had no trades because essentially the market was again trading in a very tight range, so I couldn't get any entries. I had about initially a sell limit order here, which I moved below this low volume node, and right now it's 11. It might touch it, but it's a bit late, so I just don't want to get into the trade at this time. And then I had my buy limit initially again below this low volume node, and then I moved it up to below this high volume node here, and at which point it came down, it touched it, but I didn't get a fill, and then it just carried on forward. In any case, this is tonight's trading. I couldn't get any trades in last night. I didn't post my trade last night because it went on for pretty late. But essentially what happened was I scratched a trade for about 33 cents loss. So let's see, where did I get in? Last night I got in at 1.94 3, and then I exited at 1.94305. So is this last night? Sorry. Pound New Zealand. 341. Yep, and I exited at 1.94305, somewhere here. So for about about 3 pip. Yeah, about a 3 pip loss last night I had. So that's about it. I mean, it's not a huge loss. So overall, the beginning of the month till now, I'm still profitable. So all is good. And so what I'll do is tomorrow is going to be the non-farm payroll, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yep, the non-farm employment change is coming out tomorrow. So tomorrow, actually, I'll look for a trade with the pound Aussie and see how that turns out. But again, no trades for tonight, and just I had that scratch trade for 3 pip loss on the pound New Zealand last night. So that's about it today, and no futures because it was a futures rollover date, so I didn't trade futures on the rollover date. And I'll look to see if tomorrow is a good day to trade futures as well. Thank you for watching. Have a good night and trade well. Thank you. Bye.